I got my deluxe fan. It's a ceiling fan. And you can see this is the light. Yeah, that's completely gone. Again, the coughing. Come on, TCL. Stupid TCL. You can see the light is completely right there. You can actually see it. It's got in there. You can see me there. Hello. And the light was there. TCL's got no good lighting for it. But what I do is I'll put on the fan. I see how it goes, and I'll put the camera on top of where the silly fan was. The TCL. Gonna put it like that. And then I'll put it like that. Alright, gonna turn on the fan. I'll start with low. Actually, I'll just put phone. Yeah. There. I'll start with medium. It's a bit wobbly. I had it on last night, and this is really annoying. Stupid fan. But it's very deluxe. Very deluxe. You see, it's very deluxe because it's been stupid and stubborn. So cheap because the globe is no good anymore. I'd get a new globe. It's completely gone. Oh well. Let's start with high speed. High speed. Deluxe fan. I don't know why many people like silly fans. Apparently the viewers like my silly fan for no reason. And that must be renting from the house. Just don't know why. Yes, it's a cheap fan because I put my lightsaber on top of it. It sounds a bit brittle. It's a piece of junk anyway. And a light. And that's where my lighting was. At the background. I can't do anything until I get a new proper globe. And my film would be a lot better once I used it. Turn it off. And it's a piece of junk anyway. Like stupid, cheap, nasty lightsaber. Brittle. Stop. Stupid fan. I'm gonna wreck my sword. Cheap sword. How cheap. Ah! Shit! Excuse my language. I just hurt my arm. It's a bit cheap, nasty lightsaber. I gotta charge my spot now. On my cloth now. So, there you go, guys. Cheap, nasty, silly fan. This sword just whacked me on my hand. Piece of garbage. And I got lots of garbage to whack. So, yeah. And yet, there's the hand. You can tell it's whacking my hand. It's got a little bruise. And stupid guinea pig who's scratching and carrying on. That's from yesterday. Oh, stupid guinea pig. What?